We are here in Gemelok Beach. Our friend Alex bought a boat, so we came here to see it. So the boat came this morning from the Lembongan, and now he's going to bring it another 40 kilometers to Tejekula. Alex is checking the papers at the moment, right? So then we will take a tour around here. So that's 200 horsepower for this small boat, and that's a lot for that small boat. That thing is really powerful and fast. It's definitely good for some 4 or 5 divers easily. Looks good. We just spoke with Nikita, and he says he's studying in a local school, and he said all the the school things is all still online, and it really sucks actually, because the quality of the education is really bad. Just imagine now all the kids lost 1 year of the school. There will be, I don't know what will be the level of the education when they will finish the school, because everything is online, and then sometimes they're sending videos and you cannot open them. The internet here is not great, so finally you just skip. So pretty terrible. At the moment it's actually the right time to buy something if you have money, of course, right? Because everything is way cheaper. Like Alex got a really good price. I will not tell you what is the price. That's kind of not my business, and so that's why I bought. That's definitely the right time to buy anything. One difference between the Filipino karaoke and Indonesian is that Indonesians don't sing the international songs, almost. I never heard it, but they sing the Indonesian songs. That's our neighbors is celebrating. The kid became 3 months old, so they celebrating it, right? So and now the people singing here, I'll just go and show you. Yeah, you sing. Makasih.
Apa kabar?
Just listening.
Oh ya.
Singing.
Sebut Anes tak demi
sing man rezeki.
And because they are singing their own songs, it sounds more natural. And there's no this like from the morning until the evening, and always the same songs again and again. So that's why I like these guys more. 6 days ago, Elliot and Adriana became instructors, and then there was different circumstances. We didn't celebrate that, but now we are going to the beach to a little bit celebrate it, because all the things, remember people, all the things have to be celebrated. Okay, see you on a beach. So what we have here is we celebrating new instructors, and so I always have to say something, because without saying something it's like a kind of incomplete or whatever. Yeah. So becoming an instructor, that's only the first step. Now there is many steps to do, and what I wish you is the patience. I wish you the wisdom to make the right decisions and not going for the easy decisions. Maybe the good decisions always takes the time, and so yeah, don't give up on your dream. That's one of the most important things, because a lot of people gives up on a dream really fast. But actually, to realize your dream, you need a lot of time and patience. So I wish you a really loyal students. I wish you to never lose the joy of diving. I really wish you to not lose the passion of diving, and then everything will be okay. Cheers.
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 Cheers.